Make some more. Blessed day, blessed morning. Monday, I don't even remember what day is it. So I think it's the ending of the month, November, I think, coming on. Yeah, but it's about 24 fishing, about to go in the cold to see what we can do in the cold, because we ain't gonna stop. So on my way now to pick up Ben, and then we go towards the lakes to see if we can catch us a fish today. Okay, just for you guys, our fans that has been telling us to do more fishing. We're doing it for you, all right, the fans. Mr. Bengali, look at it. Look, the car is full of rads now. We're fully loaded now. Now waste my energy. Some will win the game, some will lose the game, and bounce right back. Yo, 24 fishing, hashtag 24 fishing. Guess what? It's raining and we're still on our way, because we're determined to catch a fish today. We didn't catch any on the last run, but this time we're going for it. You get me? Watch them. You know what I mean? People see us, they must say we're crazy, you know that? Yeah. They must say we're too crazy, guys. Oh, that white guy and that black guy, they're too mad. Look at them, buddy, guy fishing in the rain. It's raining and he's going fishing. Oh my word. Man. Let's go, Superman. Small, want to just a bit in it.
1/2 a pint?
Yeah.
That one was for fishing.
Those are brand new. Gonna test them out now. So I managed to try to get food to eat, but just want to get some egg omelette, some cold dry chips, and no forks, nothing. God bless how much you pay for. So, Mr. Ben, you say nothing yet, no luck.
No luck yet.
No luck. Just rods. Yeah, so 24 fishing, I'm still out here in the blistering cold. It's so cold, I can hardly feel my fingers. I'm gonna have to go back in the car and warm up soon. But I just have to take a next part of the lake again, a different lake, using a float. You know what I mean? So I'm just testing it to see. As we all know, fishing is time. It's a time thing. You have to have patience. You get me? Because you don't know what them fish down there doing at this time. You get me? And the water is cold. And it's the coldest thing to catch carp. But there's also different fish in the water right now. You get me? Brim in the water as well. So fish is fish. So hope we catch something today. Fingers crossed. But we're hot here. You can see we're putting the time and effort to be out here to show you that, boy, we can come out and come catch a fish. And if we don't catch one, Bad luck next time. Good luck next time. Whatever. Up, up, up. 24 fishing. I'm out here. Yes, 24 fishing. It's Muslim Ben. Yeah, I still haven't caught one, but I told you, man, faith. You have to keep faith, and you have to have time, and you have to have patience. You get what I'm saying? You have to have patience. If you don't have no patience, don't bother come fishing. You know what I mean? Because see, Ben just catch a 10-pound cod. You get me? He caught a 10-pound one for the team. You get me? I didn't catch one, but shall be. Well, I didn't catch one first, so be. But Ben catch one for the team. You get me? So look out for it, man. 24 fishing with our it's cold. I can't feel my hands. Them is like, whoa. And guess what? I only get one bite, and I missed it. But yeah, but get what? We're still out here, man. 24 fishing, we're all in a vibe, we're all in a thing. You get me? We're doing a thing out here. See? Up. Look. Ben just catch a big fish, catch all them fishermen on the other side, they vex. You can see in their face. Oh my God, how did he do that? We sit here, never catch none. Oh, well, mate. Sorry, mate. You gotta be Ben or model. You know what I mean? 24 fishing with us. Bingo, 24 fishing, we do it. Put your name man over there, let them see us. Let them see We catch them, so we have to put them back. This is Britain, this is what we do. We put them back, we catch them for fun, you know what I mean? Look at them. Yeah, man them and woman them who always tell me about, oh, I want to come fishing, Yo, I want to come fishing, no. Yo, I want to come fishing, no. Here one now. You see, if you can't angle this, no make no sense come. Woman them who keep nagging me about fishing, if you can't go maggot, don't come. Aye. Right, so last thing, pack away. And that's it for the day, 24 fishing. Big up everyone for the support. You know what I mean? We are here. We came and we conquer. We accomplish the mission. We catch a fish each. So we never leave docks today. So 24 fishing, Ben and model, we are here. See the water there. Out there. On our journey home from a long few hours fishing. A good few hours fishing, because as I say, with fishing we have to have patience. You get me? And with patience, you'll gain victory if there's fish picking up. So we done it. Ben caught the biggest fish of the day, 10-pound weighed, and I caught one about 4.5, 5 pounds. Not that big, small fish, small. But we did bingo. 24 fishing. See you next time again. Now waste my energy. You know, some will win the game, some will lose the game.